Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making cola chicken wings Chinese. Without further ado, let's get started. Start by filling a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Add 8 chicken wings and blanch them for about 2 minutes to remove any odor. Heat a pan with oil and add 10 grams of white sugar. Stir constantly until the sugar fully dissolves. Then add the chicken wings to the pan and stir fry. Next, add 10 grams of finely chopped red onion, 10 grams of ginger, and 10 grams of garlic to the pan. Continue stir frying until the chicken wings turn slightly golden on one side. Then toss in 5-6 dried chili peppers. Add 5 grams of soy sauce, 10 grams of cooking wine, and 5 grams of barbecue sauce. Stir everything well. Then pour in enough water to cover the wings. Add 2 grams of salt, cover the pan, and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent the wings from sticking to the bottom. Afterward, add 1 cup of cola to the pan, cover, and simmer for an additional 3-4 minutes, or until the sauce thickens. Then, stir in 10 grams of chopped green onions. For a glossy finish, you can drizzle a bit of olive oil over the wings before serving. This will enhance their color and make the dish look even more appetizing. Your delicious cola chicken wings are now ready to enjoy. Friends, you must try our cola chicken wings Chinese. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.